Alright, guys, welcome to the next session of the AI in data analysis training. And I'm your tutor. JC Robono Zakari, and I'll be going straight up into the fundamentals in data analysis. Well, this training, like you know, is organized by the Elite Global AI Foundation, an arm of the Elite Global Intelligence Technologies. We'll be going straight up into the fundamentals of data analysis. Now, you know, data analysis, it's a powerful tool that helps to transform raw data into actionable insights. And this is for driving informed decision making across various fields. Yes, across various fields. Now, there are some key terms here: informed decision making, problem solving, competitive advantage. Now, data analysis actually does provides a strong foundation, a solid foundation for making informed decisions by revealing patterns, trends, and insights that might not be immediately visible from the raw data set. Yes, this is because data analysis helps organizations. This is because what data analysis actually does is first to, when you're given a raw data set, passing through the whole data analysis processes, it's first you have it cleaned up, you have the data cleaned up, then you can carry out different statistical analysis. Then you can have your data sets, you can have your data visualized, and then you draw inference from trends, patterns. Problem solving. So by identifying underlying causes and relationships, data analysis helps to understand complex problems and formulate effective solutions. Competitive advantage. In today's driven world, organizations that leverage data analysis effectively gain a competitive advantage. This is very true. They can better understand their customers, optimize marketing campaigns, and anticipate market shifts, leading to increased efficiency and profitability. Data collection and cleaning. Data can be collected from various sources, including databases, surveys, social media platforms, sensors, and web scraping. Choosing the appropriate data source actually depends on the specific research questions and the desired level of detail. Then data processing. You know that once data is collected, it has to be processed. There's really little you can do with the raw data set just like that. You have to process it. It has to be cleaned. And processing actually ensures accuracy and consistency. This involves handling missing values, removing duplicates, and standardizing the data format. Data transformation, that's next. So data needs to be transformed. Data may need to be transformed to specific models or analysis. This can involve changing data types, scaling values, and creating new variables based on the existing data. Exploration data analysis, EDA. I expect everyone here on this in this training for data analysis, AI in data analysis, to be familiar with every single thing I'll be going through, because I won't stay long on any point here. I just want to run through the whole concept of data analysis, then we'll get down to the AI tools that can help you in these processes. Data summary. Exploratory data analysis involves summarizing data using descriptive analysis such as mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. These measures provide an initial understanding of the data distribution and key characteristics. Data visualization. Exploratory data analysis uses various visualization techniques, including histograms, scatter plots, box plots, and heat maps. These Visualizations help identify patterns, outliers, relationships, and trends in the data. Hypothesis generation. Exploratory data analysis often leads to the generation of hypotheses about data, which can then be tested using statistical methods. These hypotheses provide a framework for further analysis and interpretation of the results. Data cleaning. Exploratory data analysis can also reveal inconsistencies, errors, and outliers in the data that may require further cleaning or investigation. This iterative process helps ensure data quality and reliability for subsequent analysis. Statistical concepts. You have descriptive statistics, probability, inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics summarizes the main features of a data set, providing a concise overview of its central tendency, variability, and distribution. This includes measures like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and variance. Probability theory deals with the likelihood of events occurring. It provides a framework for understanding randomness and uncertainty, and plays a crucial role in hypothesis testing and statistical inference. Then we'll talk about data visualization. Data can be visualized using bar charts, pie charts, scatter plots, line graphs. Bar charts are useful for comparing categorical data, showing the frequency or magnitude of different categories. They are particularly effective for visualizing data with distinct categories. For scatter plots show the relationship between two continuous variables, like X and Y, revealing patterns, trends, and outliers. They are useful for visualizing correlations and identifying clusters in data. Pie charts represent parts of a whole as slices of a cycle, visually showing the proportion of each category relative to the total. They are effective for visualizing data that sums up to 100%. Line graphs visualize trends over time, showing how a variable changes over a specific period. They are particularly useful for analyzing data with temporal components such as sales data or stock prices. Data modeling and prediction. You have the model selection, model training, model evaluation, model deployment. So let's look at model selection. Model selection, choosing the right model actually depends on the specific problem and the type of data available. Various machine learning algorithms are available, including linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, and neural networks. I talked about neural networks. Model training. Training a model involves feeding it with labeled data to learn patterns and relationships. The model adjusts its parameters to minimize errors and improve its predictive accuracy. Model evaluation, model deployment. Then this is ethics and privacy in data analysis. Fairness, transparency, privacy, accountability. Data analysis models should be fair and unbiased, avoiding discriminatory outcomes based on protected characteristics. For transparency, the methodology used in data analysis should be transparent, allowing for scrutiny and understanding of how insights are derived. For privacy, protecting personal data is really, really very important. Data analysis should adhere to privacy regulations and ensure that the sensitive information is handled responsibly. Then we talk about communicating insights. Data storytelling, audience understanding, actionable recommendation. Data analysis insights should be presented in a compelling and encouraging manner using visual storytelling techniques to convey key findings and their implication. Audience understanding. You have to tailor the communication style and level of detail to the audience's knowledge and interest. Ensure that the message is clear, concise, understandable, and clear to the stakeholders. Because eventually you have to present your findings to the stakeholders. So you have to ensure your message is clear, understandable, and interesting. Data insights should translate into actionable recommendations, guiding decision making and driving positive change. You know, the end point of the data analysis process is actually to make decisions. So the insights derived from your data should be translated into actionable recommendations that can guide decision making. We can talk about some real world applications of data analysis in the healthcare, finance, and marketing. Data analysis actually plays a very vital role in healthcare, improving patient outcomes, optimizing treatments, predicting disease outbreaks. It enables personalized medicine, early diagnosis, effective resource allocation. For finance, data analysis is essential in the financial industry for risk management, fraud detection, investment analysis, and portfolio optimization. It helps identify trends, predict market movement, and make informed financial decisions. In marketing, data analysis empowers marketers to understand customer behavior, target specific audiences, personalize campaigns, and measure campaign effectiveness. This enables businesses to optimize marketing strategies and drive sales. From here, we'll be moving on to the next, which is I'll be showing you how to use data analysis AI tools for data analysis. The first tool here I'll be showing you is Data Squirrel.